video, we are going to show you how to use the EndNote 21 Cite-While-You-Write plugin for Google Docs. First, open Google Docs and open a document that you can use to practice. I have my example lorem ipsum pulled up now. In the Google Docs ribbon, click on Extensions, then choose Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. In the window that opens, search for EndNote and choose EndNote 21 Cite-While-You-Write. Click on the EndNote tile in the results. A new window will open and you can click on the blue Install button to install the plugin. The program will ask you what Google account you want to use for Cite-While-You-Write, so go ahead and pick one. You will come to another window asking you to sign in and warning you that Google will share basic information with EndNote Cite-While-You-Write if you continue. Click on Continue, and then in the next window, click on Allow. Another window should open letting you know that the plugin has been installed, and then you can click on Done. Now, let's go back to the document. We'll click on the Extensions drop-down and click on EndNote 21 Cite-While-You-Write and choose Open. A window will open on the right side of your screen with your references.